Hey everyone, Harvey's Cheshire Kid 123 here. Today, we're looking at here is a 42-inch universal hugger ceiling fan. I got this fan brand new out of the box. $40 I paid for this fan for new in box. It's reversible to stencil to plain oak. Antique brass finish with a 3 light kit. If you look closely, the light switch isn't original. You know who you are, Colin Collects fans. But special shout out to the junk collector. He teach me how to wire a brand new light switch into this fan. So works like new. And I am using 2 LED bulbs in there because LEDs are awesome. So hello. This fan, when I tested it, it had a little wobble on medium and high, probably on low, but that's just normal for any new in box fan. So it's not a huge, humongous deal. I could very care less. And plus, this fan is going back in the box and never be opened again. So, this fan does have a slight hum to it. Probably my camera can pick it up since my camera can pick up any noises. I do not know what year this fan is dated. I would say probably somewhere in the 80s, like any other fan out there that has the tulip shade out that it looks like this could be used in a kitchen. So probably somewhere in the 80s. As you can see, it has a little bit of wobble there because it came straight out of the box. Build quality on this fan, I would rate it a 10 out of 10. Performance wise, it performs really well. It's fast. The build quality on this is good, and the quality itself, it's good. Here's the light again. Those LEDs are bright, and they look great on the fan. The blade pitch on this thing, I would say probably like 12 degrees. Fan uses a 153 by 10 stamped steel motor. And this fan is probably made in China or in the USA. I would probably say USA. But other than that, this fan runs really well. It's silent other than the hum. But other than that, it's pretty much silent. Now, somewhere we're doing 110 13 RPM on high. So, alright, well, that concludes our video. Thank you guys for watching.